Now we see some exercise problem. See the first problem. Y is it better to use a divider than a ruler? While measuring the length of a line segment. See here, what is the question? See, that is very important question. Why it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? Okay, how can you write the solution? See here, while using a ruler, chances of error occur due to the thickness of the ruler and angular weaving. Hence, using divider, accurate measurement is possible. Everybody clear? See, already we know that, so I have to write the solution is while using a ruler, chances of error occur due to thickness of the ruler and angular weaving. Hence, using divider accurate measurement is possible. Okay, right. See the second question. See here. Now draw any line segment. See, draw any line segment. That line segment we can say AB. Say line segment means we have to denote it by this symbol. Okay, take any point C. Take any point, this is point, okay, any point C lying in between A and B. Okay, measure the length of AB, BC and AC. Is AB equal to AC plus CB? Okay, this one is the question. What is here? Draw any line segment, say AB. Take any point C lying in between A and C. Measure the length of AB, DC and AC. Is AB equal to AC plus CB? Okay, see, some notes are given. That means if A, B and C are any 3 points, okay, on a line such that, this is a such that symbol, such that AC plus CB equal to AB. Then we can be sure that C lies between A and B. Everybody clear this note? Okay. See here. First you have to draw a line segment. Okay. See the solution. See here. That means draw a line segment means suppose you have to take this is a AB line segment. Okay, take any point C lying in between A and B. Okay, let us consider denoted by AC. Suppose I have to take this is C means. See, since given that point C lie in between A and B. Hence all points are lying on same line segment AB. Therefore, for every situation in which point C is lying in between A and B, we may say that, see here, AB is equal to nothing but AC plus CB. Clear? Okay. See, how can you write the solution? See here, since given that point C lie in between A and B. Okay. Hence, all points are lying on same line segment AB. Okay, so therefore for every situation in which point C is lying in between A and B, we may say that AB equal to, we can write AC plus CB. Okay, everybody clear? Suppose you have to not clear means see one example. See here, AB is a line segment of length. Suppose in this line segment AB equal to 7 centimeter. Suppose you have to take. And C is a point between A and B. And AC, okay, see this AC is nothing but we can take 3 centimeter. And CB, okay, CB is you can take 4 centimeter means hence see here you can see AC plus CB. See what is that? AC plus CB equal to AB. What is AC value? 3 centimeter. Plus what is CB value? 4 centimeter. 3 plus 4, 7. See here, what is the 7? AB value. So, AB equal to AC plus CB. This is verified. Everybody clear in this example? Okay. Now, see the third problem. See here, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter and AC equal to 8 centimeter. Which one of them lies between the other two? Okay, see here, what is that? The question is if wait if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter. See here you have to write, given that AB equal to 5 centimeter, then BC equal to 3 centimeter and AC equal to 8 centimeter. Now which one of them lies between the other two? Okay. See here, first of all you have to write the given condition. Now it is clear that just now you saw what is that AB equal to AC plus CB. The previous problem everybody know that. But in this one, see here, your question is which one of them lies between the other. So see here, AC is the largest value, right? So you can take AC line segment. See here, this one is A, this one is C. So the totally AC is called 8 centimeter. Now we have to take a point B, means see here, this is B. Okay. Now see AB equal to 5 centimeter and then BC equal to 3 centimeter. Now you can add AB plus BC equal to, what is AB value? 5 plus BC value 3. What is that? A 5 plus 3? 8. What is this 8? Totally AC. So we have to write that the point B lies between A and C. Everybody clear this diagram? No need for the diagram. Directly you have to write the solution. See here, which one is the largest? AC. So it is clear that AC is nothing but AB plus BC. Okay. So hence the point B lies between A and C. That's it. Okay, everybody clear? So what is the question? If A, B, C are 3 points on the line segment, now the given condition is AB equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter and AC equal to 8 centimeter. Which one of them lies between the other two? So first of all you have to write the given condition. Next we have to see what is the largest length AC. So this is for your reference only. So you have to draw the line segment AC. Now you have to mark it out the point B. Now see here, AB equal to 5, BC equal to 3. Now you can add AB plus BC. You will get AC value. Clear? See here, AB value is 5 centimeter, BC value is 3. Here you will have to add for in that 2. You will get 8. See here. So it is clear that AC equal to AB plus BC. Hence point B lies between A and C. Clear? So we have to write the solution is, now it is clear that no, you can write, it is clear that you have to write this value only. AC equal to AB plus BC. Hence this is point. Okay, point B lies between A and C. Okay, now see the fourth problem. If B is the midpoint of AC line segment and C is the midpoint of BD. This is also the another line segment where A, B, C and D lie on a straight line. Say Y AB equal to CD. Okay, see here, what is the question? If B is a midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where A, B, C, D lie on a straight line, say YAB equal to CD. Okay, see here, I have to draw a line segment first. So B is a midpoint of AC. So I have to take, this is A, this one is C. Okay, see here C is a, first B is the midpoint of AC. So this one is B. Clear? And C is the midpoint of B, D. This one is D. When A, B, C, D lie on a straight line, say YAB equal to CD. See in this diagram, what is the given condition? The given condition is B is the midpoint of AC. Okay. Hence, AB equal to BC. Right? This is equation number 1 you have to take. Now, another given condition is C is the midpoint of BD. Okay, C is the midpoint of BD. So, hence, we know that see here BC equal to CD. BC equal to CD. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, okay, we get, what is that? See here, AB equal to BC, but in this BC equal to CD. So directly you can write AB equal to CD is verified. Everybody clear in this problem? Okay, see here, what is the question? Now, in this question, if B is the midpoint of AC and C is the midpoint of BD, where ABCD lie on a straight line, say YAB equal to CD. See, first of all, given B is a midpoint of AC means you have to draw AC, you have to take a point B, a middle point of AC. So we have to write AB equal to BC. After that, you have to take C is a midpoint of BD. So we have to write BC equal to CD. So take, this is equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. See, you have to take equation 1 and 2. Comparing of in this two equation, you will get AB equal to CD. So AB equal to CD is verified. Okay. See the 5th problem. See here. Verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Okay, see the diagram. I have to draw one line. Let us take this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one point name is called A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, see here, this one is the question. Now what I have to verify? Verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Okay, from in this figure, clear that AD equal to DG. Because AD, see here, AD equal to DG. See here, AD equal to how many units is there? 1, 2, 3 units. DG is 1, 2, 3 units. So, it is clear that means since you have to write the solution. Okay, since it is clear that from the figure that AD equal to DG. The both are 3 units. Hence, D is the midpoint of AG. Everybody clear? Okay. What is that? Verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. See this line. Okay. See in this diagram it is clear that from the figure that AD equal to DG, because of AD equal to 3 units, DG equal to 3 units. The both are equal to. So we have to take, see here D is the center point. So D is the middle point of AG. Everybody clear? Thank you.